Hi, my name is Phil from PSC Electrical. I started off in 2013, one man in a van. I was working for another company at the time, and I got to the point where the business was doing so well. In 2015, I quit my day job and I went for it. And then from there, the business just kept growing. I retrained and requalified in solar and EV. And then from there, it just kind of, I could see in the future that that was going to be like the new thing, the solar and EV. So I got the government endorsed for both of them. And from there on, we just ended up employing more electricians, apprentices, got an office, then got admin, and we've just kept on growing. The main mission with the business is to serve all of like Surrey and London, provide excellent service, excellent customer care. And I really just want to explain how much I love the business and love electrics and solar and how it means so much to me, and serving customers and just doing a really good job. When I choose people, I choose like-minded people who are passionate like myself and love doing a good job. And that really means a lot to me. I love electrics and I love running a business. And so when I've chosen people, I don't just go for skill set, I go for passion. And because I want people who are going to do an excellent job, have great values, and I'm so lucky because everyone in my team is all passionate and everyone loves electrics and just doing a really good job. All the people that work for me, like electricians, are all passionate. They're all passionate, all of them. Maybe because I'm passionate, that's why we found each other. I'm very particular on who I employ. I go through rigorous checks to make sure we get the right people for the right job. Growing the vision for me is quite massive. I want to take over, I want to dominate London if I can. I want to be the go-to, the number one. I want to be the company that all electricians and admin and customers all come to because we offer a really good service. You can check us out on our website. We've got 800 plus reviews online.
The main reason I chose PSC is because they were Which recommended. And I totally agree with the approval. They did an excellent job, and I do actually think they were a very fair price as well, which I didn't expect at the time.
We are the go-to company, that is the plan anyway. What I love about being an electrician, doing the work, and it's doing the job and getting it all nice and thinking about like how you're going to do it and what materials you're going to use and just doing a real good job really. The reason why I chose electrics is because I suppose I just liked, I don't know, it was cables I suppose. It was cables, and to be honest, when I first started I didn't actually know what I wanted to do with electrics. It just kind of, I started to do it and I just fell in love with it. And I want a company that represents something. When we put the badge on, the uniform, what it means to put that on, what it represents. And so by putting the uniform on, what it basically means is that represent having core values, caring about our customers, being transparent, doing a really good job, really going above the customer's expectations. I want to just educate the electrical sector a little bit. I think there's so many people out there that just do bad work and they don't really care. Even if you've got a great set of people, you can build a great company and a great business, and that is my thing, is finding a great team to build a great business.
They were clean, tidy, super efficient. I'm very happy.
When someone comes into the company, I want them to grow as a person and develop and keep pushing. What you find here at PSC Electrical, because everyone's quite passionate about everything, they push each one another on different ideas, different ways of doing things. And it's like, you know, when you get your calling, electrics was my calling. It was what made me who I am. It changed my life. We're based in Croydon/Reigate. We've got offices in both areas. We cover anything from like anywhere in like Southeast England. We would potentially go further if the job was bigger, depending on the scope, what the job is, what it involves. We're not really limited. Just pick up the phone, give us a call, and we can discuss what you'd like to do. Well, our typical client could be anyone from wanting a basic like rewire It could be a solar installation on a domestic level. It could be commercial, it could be industrial, it could be just changing a socket. We would do anything. We would do a socket, a switch, whatever you like. PSC Electrical have a lot of skills here, so we could do anything from like a small scale solar installation to a massive 100, 200 array system with loads of panels. We can take on fire alarm, access control, intercom, you name it. We've done work in the likes of like IKEA, we've done work for Domino's, we've done work for the Aerodrome Hotel. We've got a very good team that we can take on any sort of job. So if you need any sort of electrical work doing, small scale, commercial or big scale, just give us a call. A few years ago, we got headhunted by ITV, Lovefield Garden. When I actually got the phone call, I was so shocked because I was thinking, how could I get headhunted? Like, who am I? And then he explained how he found me, and I went and met the director. We spoke about all this pretty cool stuff, and I thought, wow, we're gonna go on TV. So I rang up all my guys and I said, look, we're gonna go on TV. What do you guys think about it? They was really excited about it. And we met up, he went through everything with me, how he wanted it to be, what the spec was. And then we started doing it. And then from there, only this year, recently, they've asked us to come back on again. And then this year, we got headhunted by Tesla as well and became a Tesla approved contractor for installing Powerwalls. And we recently had Bloomberg write an article on us about solar installations. So yeah, it's been a pretty good year, and I feel like hard work does pay off. And the people here at PSC, between us, we're a great team of people that can do anything together. But we will do anything from like a small house to a small commercial to a massive commercial. We're not really capped on what we can do here at PSC Electrical. We've got the skills, we've got the team, we've got the people.